Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. That is what we will discuss today. Mute yourself using Zoom keyboard shortcuts. There are there are several helpful Zoom keyboard shortcuts. Helpful Zoom keyboard Zoom keyboard shortcuts on both Mac and PC. To mute yourself. One. Understand. Understand. Press Alt slash A to mute audio and mix audio on a mass mass. Press shift shift plus command plus A. There are there are plenty plenty of other useful shortcuts shortcuts on both mass on both mass shortcuts and tips shortcut and tips to use in to use in Zoom, including shortcut that encoding mute mute participants participants rather than checking mute rather than checking mute clicking mute or or unmute all in the participants windows. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel latest new video. Thank you.